If you want to make Google Drive easier on the eyes, especially at night or in low light, you can turn on dark mode right from the web version in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable dark mode in Google Drive on the web, step by step, so you can switch from the bright default look to a darker, more comfortable interface. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides like this. Let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to change. Once your Drive homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the quick settings panel. Inside this menu, look for the appearance section. This is where Google Drive lets you control how the interface looks. Under appearance, you'll usually see a few options, such as light, dark, and the device default. If you want Google Drive to use a darker theme all the time, select dark. If you'd rather have Drive follow your system settings automatically, you can choose device default instead, but for this tutorial, we're selecting dark. As soon as you click dark, the interface should switch immediately. You'll notice the background become darker, the text adjusts for readability, and the whole layout feels much easier on the eyes. There's no save button you need to worry about, so the change is applied right away. That means once you select it, you're done. If you ever want to switch back later, just return to the same gear icon, open appearance again, and choose light or device default. It's that simple. This is a great small adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you spend a lot of time organizing files, working on documents, or managing shared drives. And that's how you enable dark mode in Google Drive on the web. Quick, simple, and only takes a few seconds. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.